Hi everyone, Diane here. Welcome back to my craft room. Today we are here with day 3 of the 7 Days of Summer collaboration between Dear Julie and Cara Creations. So before I show you what I made, I'll show you the printables I was working with. This is day 3 of Dear Julie's kit. It's got this big tag here with this cute little girl. She's got some raspberries there in her arms. She's got some fussy cut fruits here. A cute little journal card with a calendar and these vintage girls. A little card here, it looks like maybe some postage stamps and some little ephemera here. And then Cara Brandon's page, we have a pocket and a couple journal cards, a couple tags, and then some labels and some fun cute ephemera there. So here's what I made with those. I took a small brown paper bag and made it into a kind of a triple pocket. Maybe we'll call it that. So let's start on this side. I folded up the bottom of the paper bag here and used one of the journal cards from Cara Brandon to cover that. And then this is a punch out from day 2 of Cara Brandon's. Came off the collage sheet. A little piece of Dear Julie's ephemera there, some cheesecloth, a scrap of lace that was sitting on my desk, and then this little lace on the bottom. And then in the pocket, I took the 2 journal cards and I backed them with some tea-dyed paper. This first one, I put some fussy cut fruit and the lemonade sticker there and a little price label. And the tabs are punch outs from Dear Julie's Day 2 collage kit. And then on the back of the yellow one I used some of Dear Julie's ephemera and a label and one of the numbers that came off one of the kits. And I staggered the tabs so you could see them both when you put them in the pocket. Alrighty, and if we flip over to the other side, I used Cara Brandon's pocket and then Dear Julie's little ephemera, the label from Cara Brandon, and a piece of tea-dyed doily behind there. And then in the pocket we have Cara's tag. I backed it on some tea-dyed paper and wrapped one of the labels around, a little piece of fabric there. And that slides in there. And then in the paper bag itself, I took the journal card with the girl and the tag from Cara, and I glued the tag on, and then I trimmed this card to the width of the tag because this card was a little wider than the tag. So then I folded that over and made a little booklet. Words are hard. I bound it with some red floss, and on the inside I put some cardstock in to strengthen the paper and one of the fussy cuts on each side. And I used some scrap paper from my bin. I had this beautiful tea-dyed vellum. Oh, it's so crinkly. Listen. I just love that. And some ledger paper, some line paper, music, dictionary page. This was a piece of cardstock that I was practicing an edge punch on, so I thought that was cool in there. And then in the center I tied a couple buttons on the floss string. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's my day 3. I am having such fun with all these beautiful, colorful papers. I hope you'd like to play along, and I am excited to see what everyone else is making. So thank you so much. I appreciate everyone that's been liking and subscribing to my channel, and I hope you have a crafty day. We'll see you for day 4 tomorrow. Bye-bye.